So now one important skill is, firstly, the units and measurements you use really depend upon the size of the object. So normally if you have a very small object, so here we have an ant, we give it as in millimetres. I just need a pen, in millimetres. If you have something a very long distance, we normally give it in kilometres. So for example, the distance between Brisbane to the Gold Coast, if you're driving by car, about 80 kilometres. LeBron James, so we give that in metres. The height, it's pretty common. And like a pen or a pencil, 14 centimetres. So you tend to use your measurement, the measurement unit you use relates to the size of the object. However, we want to be able to convert between different measurements. So let's start with the largest measurement. So 80 kilometres. Remember that 1 kilometre is equal to 1,000 metres. So if we've got 80 of these things, we need 80 times 1,000. So we get 80,000 metres. And then 1,000 metres is actually, let me try that again. We need to go in terms of the units. Where's my eraser? There it is. I'll just delete that. Okay, back again. And then a metre, just put M, is equal to 100 centimetres. So we have 80,000 metres, and 1 metre is equal to 100 centimetres, so we need to times our 80,000 by 100. And we should get 8 followed by 6 zeros, 4 and then another 2. And so that's in centimetres. Run out of room, put the units there. So next, 1 centimetre is equal to 10 millimetres. So we've got 8 million centimetres. So we need to times, what's that? Yep, we need to times that by 10. And so we end up with 80 million millimetres. Okay? Okay, let's quickly do a reverse one. So let's say you're going from millimetres. So we know that 1 millimetre, well, that's 1/10 of a centimetre. Alright, so we need to divide by 10 or times by 1/10. Okay, so I'll do it two ways because a millimetre is only 1/10 of a centimetre. So either way, what we end up with is 0.3. The decimal place moves one place. Then a centimetre, there's 100 centimetres in a metre, so it's 1/100th of a metre. So again, we need to times by, let me try that again. So here, we've got 0.3, didn't put my units in there, 0.3 centimetres, so it should be divided by 100. So we get 0.003, I think I can just fit that in. Or you can write it 0.3 times by 100, either way, it does the same, just two ways of doing the same thing. And then finally kilometres, well, one metre is 1,000th, right? Remember 1,000 metres makes up a kilometre, so 1 metre is 1,000th. So now we need to divide 0.03 and divide it by 1,000, and we're going to end up with move the decimal point 3 places, so we get three more zeros. So there, 3 millimetres is essentially it's about 3 millionths of a metre. Okay, you can try the rest, and when you're ready, just pause the video now, try the rest, and then come back and check your answers. So if you had to go at those questions, check your answers. So here, 14 divided by 100, 14 centimetres, you get 0.14. Then we've got to divide by another 1,000 to convert from metres to kilometres, so we get 0.00014 kilometres. To go from centimetres to millimetres, we need to times by 10. We're going from the larger unit to the smaller, so we multiply it. Okay, you can check the rest of the answers. And then in the next video you can watch, we can come for sort of a mnemonic, how to remember, a diagram to how to remember to convert.